to switch accounts on Discord, or the question is, can I switch an account to Discord? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. This is the topic that I want to talk about in this video. I think you already know that in the PC version of Discord, you can go to your profile and switch to another account very easily without logging out. But in the mobile version, if you go to your profile from the right bottom corner, and if you search here and if you scroll down, you will not find a switch account option. You should find this option in the top right corner next to logout right here. Discord already announced that there will be a switch account on the mobile version, the mobile app as well, so you will just have to wait until they add this option to the mobile version. So this is all you have to do. Until then, you can log out of your account by clicking on the right top corner here, log out, and then log into your other account. Don't forget to subscribe guys and like this video, and if you have some questions about this topic, you can go ahead and answer you can go ahead and comment down below, and I will make sure that I will answer to your question. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. As I said, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye, have a great day.